Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can activate the DnD mode or do not disturb mode on your iPhone. Here I use iPhone XR for this tutorial, and basically the DnD mode is a mode of your iPhone that can prevent any notifications coming so you can focus on your work. So how to activate those? You just need to go up in your settings. Now just scrolling down and take a look on the second box. There will be like this 4 options. So if you want to access the mode or focus, just go tap into the third options here and just tap it. Now do not disturb mode will be on the top side here, but basically this is not the place that you can activate it. Make sure that you already have this DnD mode here. And how to activate, go back into your home screen. You just need to like slide your screen on the left side here into the down part to access the option, or you can also go into the right side here, just slide it into the down part, and you will see there will be a free here. This is the place that shown your focus that you use. So you just need to tap and hold on this, and then you just need to go click this DnD or do not disturb, and then those focus will be activated. It will be symbolized with the symbol of DnD on the top side here later on. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again in 2 other tutorial.